My name is Hassan Yakubu and I'm here to present my e-commerce platform EduMart. So the problem statement is that access to affordable and relevant study materials remains a major challenge for students in Ghana. According to UNESCO, affordability and localization remain two of the biggest barriers to quality education in sub-Saharan Africa, and EduMart directly addresses these issues. So EduMart has two main visions. Firstly, to ensure that every student, whether in an urban classroom or a rural community, can access high-quality, curriculum-aligned learning materials without financial or technical barriers, and to democratize access to quality education by creating a centralized, affordable, and inclusive e-learning platform. Our main mission is to empower students to learn independently through affordable and localized digital resources, and our objectives are to provide high quality, curriculum aligned e learning materials and to reduce the cost of accessing educational content through micropayments. So, for our business model canvas, first we have our value proposition, which is affordable, accessible, and localized digital learning resources. Customers are senior high school students, junior high school students, and professionals. The channel is mainly through a web platform. Customer relationship are done through customer feedback forms and review forms. Our revenue stream is mainly micropayments per downloads. Our key partners are local publishers, educators, payment providers, paystack and cloud hosting providers. Key activities include managing content, developing the platform, marketing and ensuring secure payments. And our cost structure involves the platform development, content licensing, server hosting, and staff operations. So the project requires an initial investment of $250,000 in order to do things like platform development, marketing outreach, and to pay staff. So EduMart's sustainability lies in its recurring revenue model and continuous expansion. And EduMart aligns with SDG 4, which is quality education, and SDG 10, which is reduced inequality, making it both impactful and scalable. So now I'll take you through the main platform for EduMart. Okay, so this is the main platform which is being hosted on the school server. So first of all, we come here and then this is the landing page. We come here and then click on start here. We then create an account. You can either create an account as a student or as a creator. So first we'll create an account as a student, and then I'll say maybe John Doe email, and then password. Password can be anything as long as it's above 6 characters. Country Ghana, city Accra, contact number, let's see, create an account. Now we log in. Okay, so you are greeted at the main student dashboard with your name. Shows you how many resources you've ordered, how many you've downloaded, and how many quizzes you've taken. So you can come here to browse the available resources that have been uploaded by the creators. You come here to see your resources. At the moment, since we're a new user, we haven't purchased any resources. Come here to take quizzes. You can only take quizzes for categories you've purchased, and because you've not made any purchases, there are no available quizzes. Come to your cards is empty. View your profile. Okay, so now let's add a few items to carts. Add, and then add. So now we go to the carts. We can remove. So let's try and remove, and then proceed to checkout. Pay with paystack. This is the test number, so we just confirm, and then I've completed payments. It says payment successful, and then you can download the resources that you've bought. So we can either go to our resources or we can continue shopping. So we'll go to our resources. And yes, these are now the resources we purchased. So we can download them, which we've already done, or we can view. Okay, so let's go back to my resources, and then now we go to quizzes, and now we see that one quiz has been made available for social studies because there's been a social studies quiz that has been published, and because we bought social studies resources, we can now take that quiz. So if we come back to resources and then we add English to carts and then pay, you'll see that an English quiz has now been added. So let's just take the quiz. This is the social studies quiz. For the sake of time, I'll just choose anything. Submit. So you see your quiz score, time taken, number of questions you got wrong, and you're also shown the correct answers. So you can go back to quizzes, and then here we can log out. So I'll now log in I'll now create an account for creator and phone names. So you're greeted with a similar dashboard as the students one, and the only difference here is that there's a My Earnings page which you'll not be able to access unless you upload a resource. So it redirects you to the upload resource page where you can upload a resource. After you upload a resource, you come here and it's updated over here. So log out, and then I'll log in as the main admin. So this is the main admin dashboard. Over here, you're able to view the total number of users, resources, and total orders. You can manage students, creators, and content. Over here, you can view analytics to see our gross revenue, platform revenue, our revenue model, which states that EduMart earns 20% commission on all sales, except our own resources, where we keep 100%. You can view top selling resources. You can come here to view quiz analytics, see how many people have taken quizzes and their performances. View the users, can view resources, and we can create resources as well, add new categories, and then that's basically it. So yeah, I'll now log in as an already existing creator. So yeah, these are resources that the creator has uploaded, quizzes that the creator has uploaded, and the earnings made by the creator. So before I end off, I'll quickly add a new category and then upload a new resource. So the new category could be JHS. Okay. I'll log in as an already existing user. Upload. So we see, let's say 2021 EECE Acquired PIM tree paper. Category will say JHS Ghanaian language. Price is 15 cedis. Description, for the sake of time, I'll just write keywords tree. thumbnail image. Is it resource file, and then upload resource successfully uploaded. Okay, so I'll end of the video here. Thank you.